Encountered a TVD file in financial software or business documents? This format is associated with various financial calculation and time value applications. I'm Evan Brooks, Certified Support Engineer, and I'll explain how to identify and open these TVD financial document files. Preventative action. I strongly suggest keeping a universal file reader on standby. It often gives you access to the contents even when the TVD format fails. More on this later. TVD files are document files associated with various financial calculation applications, including time value of money calculators, investment analysis tools, and specialized accounting software. They contain stored calculations, input parameters, cash flow schedules, amortization tables, and analysis results used in financial planning and investment evaluation workflows. TVD financial document files use application-specific formats containing input parameters like principal interest rates, payment frequencies, and time periods, along with calculated outputs, including future values, present values, amortization schedules, and cash flow projections. The internal structure varies by the originating financial application. The TVD format is inextricably linked to the application Notepad++ from Don Ho. To view all media streams, the file must be opened in a dedicated container program. Windows shows only a simplified view, so deeper interpretation must be done with suitable software. We are initiating the software cross-check. Right-click your TVD file and choose Open With. Test with Notepad++ first. If it's missing, select another program. The solution is often non-obvious. If you still cannot open your TVD file, that is okay. This format is tricky. Since the TVD file is so specific, let's confirm your environment. We need to verify these key details before fixing the error. First, identifying the source application. Examine the TVD file properties and any installed financial software on the system. Check folder paths for application-specific directories that might indicate the originating program. Use a file identification utility like Turide, or open the file in a hex editor to inspect headers for application signatures that identify the specific financial software. Next, opening with financial software. Try opening the TVD file in common financial calculation applications like HP Calc Plus Financial Calculator software, or Texas Instruments, TI Nspire computer software. Specialized accounting tools like QuickBooks or Sage may also recognize TVD files. The application that originally created the file provides the best access to all stored data and calculations. Finally, extracting data manually. If the TVD file uses a text-based format, open it in a text editor like Notepad++ to view the contents directly. Look for recognizable financial parameter names and values. Copy critical data manually into a spreadsheet like Excel or Google Sheets to preserve the financial information when the original software is unavailable. If compatibility checks failed, it is likely because the file extension name is shared by different developers for unrelated formats, causing your PC to use the wrong reading language. Rather than guessing, you can try switching to a dedicated parsing engine that is built to identify file structures autonomously and may offer a better chance of opening stubborn formats. At this point, I recommend our one-click fix, the Universal Viewer. My top recommendation is FileMagick. It opens almost any format and is available right now at filemagick.com. If this tutorial saved you time and frustration, please hit the like button and subscribe for more fixes.